now a long ball played. Ishmael trying to get something, and then it goes in. Ball was played. Sobi fakes it, and then the ball was slammed home by Matt Markham until it's given away for a 2-on-0. And it's a beautiful move and a goal by Noel Castillo. Fantastic turn and an even better save. An even better save by Rosales. A wall ball. Will this be the moment? It is! Great ball played by Ishmael Castillo, and this time Ledesma put it right in the net. And now Jackson scores! Brilliant, brilliant take there for whatever reason. Oh, and wow! You don't see that every day. Eric Tate with the assist, and the goal is just tapped home by Josh Albers. That's his first goal tonight. The third goal for Arizona Impact. Then they play it back, and it's back to Hernandez. Can he get it on his left foot? He can, and he'll score! Wow. This is Markham playing the ball, and it is scored! And boy, we've got ourselves a game now. And Jackson might be teeing it up again instead. Shot, good chance, rebound, is scored! It's scored by Noel Castillo, and it's 10-9 now. 10-9, and we've still got 5:40 left in this one. What an incredible comeback we've seen tonight. It's not all the way done yet, still 10-9, but I tell you what, folks, what incredible heart from the Arizona Impact, down 8-3 early in the third period, and they did not give up. They have just chipped away all game long.